What features should be mentioned about Vodi Mosa wireless charger case? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because, it has the following features. Compatibility. This smart ring charging case is only compatible with Oura Ring Gen3 Heritage/Horizon size 9, other brand models are not supported. Please check the model carefully before purchasing. Portable design. The compact and lightweight smart ring charging case easily fits into your pocket, allowing you to charge your smart ring anytime. It provides convenient charging while also protecting the ring from dust and scratches when not in use. Long battery life. The charging case features a built-in 600 mAh high-capacity battery, capable of fully charging your Oura Ring up to 4 times. This means you won't have to worry about battery issues while you're out, ensuring your smart ring stays powered whether you're traveling or using it daily. Wireless charging. This charging case offers wireless charging, allowing you to fully charge your Oura Ring Gen3 in just 80 minutes. Simply place the smart ring on the charging case for a straightforward and efficient charging experience. Safety protection. The charging case is equipped with an intelligent safety mechanism that automatically shuts off when fully charged, effectively saving power. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.